But it's now time to decode the technical setup of the market, and for that we have our guest, Mr. Vinay Rajani of HDFC Securities. Mr. Vinay, thank you for speaking with us. And markets have been quite volatile amid earnings and global uncertainty. How are you reading the market setup today?
Yeah, good afternoon. So definitely the market trend has been choppy. It is very difficult to get the momentum right now. And 2 weeks back, there was a long leg doji candlestick pattern on the weekly chart of the Nifty where we saw a Nifty high at 24,530 and the low was 24,530 and low was 23,800. So Nifty currently for last 2 weeks is oscillating between this range. Going by the momentum, the moving average setup, Nifty is placed above its 20, 50, and 100 days moving average. That is a positive sign. So it is holding that trend. It is a good, and we have a hope that anytime soon we may get a positive breakout also. On the higher side, we have a strong resistance coming at around it's 200 days EMA, which is placed at 24,400. And as I said, 24,530 was the 2 weeks high, 2 week before high. So that needs to be tracked closely. Bank Nifty, which broke out on Friday, actually resulted into a fake breakout, and today it is almost on the verge of breaching the Friday's low. So that way, the typical result season is going on. The choppy trend of in the market is going on. So we just need to be very stock specific and sector specific. The stocks and sectors which have run up a lot, we have to ignore that, because in result season we have seen that many times these breakouts gets fail and ultimately a trend reverses. The stocks which are available at lower prices and have shown a healthy correction and some reversal sign is there, where we can keep our eye to generate some alpha. So this choppiness will continue, I think, for the short term, and we need to find some sectors which are reversing from the lower levels that will give us some sort of profit in the short term trading ideas.
Hey, Vinay, that's your view coming in on the market. You did say it's time to be sector and stock specific. Give us a sense of what these sectors and stocks are going to be. You also mentioned that we should be avoiding the ones that have already run up. Could you spell that out for our viewers?
Yeah, so one of the stock which I like and has been consolidating for last 5 consecutive weeks is the GAIL, Gas Authority of India. This primary trend of the stock has been bullish, but for last 1 month, this stock has been into a consolidation, or we can say some running correction was there. But the primary trend is very bullish, and we believe that at 172.51 can go long, and 165 should be the positional stop loss. And on the upside, we are expecting a target at 185. So this is a positional trading idea which one can generate from here. The second stock which I like, which is reversing from the lower level, is the Dabur India. So this stock has not done anything. In fact, it was in a negative territory. For last 2 trading session, it has been trying to find support and bouncing back. So today I can see that it has reversed from the very strong support and follow buying was registered. And not only Dabur, the Colgate Palmolive, the Nestle, these stocks have also shown some momentum. So in the sector rotation theme, this can work out. FMCG stock like Dabur can do well around 426, 427. One can go long. I would suggest a stop loss at 410, which is a positional stop loss. On the upside, we are expecting a target of 452 in next couple of weeks.
Watching out for 452 on Dabur. So those are some of the stock picks from Vinay's end. Vinay, on that note, thank you so much as always for joining us on the show and sharing your views and your stock recommendations with our viewers. Thanks so much.
Thanks.